Basic phrasal verbs. Come back.
Come back.
We are always happy when you come back home.
Come in.
Come in. The teacher opens the door and says, "Please come in."
Get in.
Get in.
Please get in the car. We need to go.
Get out.
Get out. Please get out of the car.
Get on.
Get on.
We get on the bus every morning to go to school.
Get off.
Get off. We get off the bus when we get home.
Go up.
Go up.
They get tired when they go up the mountain.
Go down.
Go down. It's 1 floor down. You need to go down these stairs.
Go in.
Go in.
Jerry loves his house. He likes to go in and sleep there.
Go out.
Go out. The cat is always in its house. He never wants to go out.
Go away.
Go away.
She wanted to go away and never come back.
Go back.
Go back. It is late, so we need to go back home.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up or you'll miss the bus.
Sit down.
Sit down. I'm tired. I need to sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Please stand up and walk a little.
Wake up.
Wake up. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.